I am in Costco trying the mask for the first time, and so far so good. It does not feel too heavy on my face. The silicone is very soft, so it makes it comfortable around my nose and my face. I do have the exhaust valve out. I'm going to put it back in. I do find it's easier to breathe when it is out than in, obviously, but it seems to work great with the fans blowing, and it's a little cooler in here. So far so good. And I like the fact that I also have the filters to protect the air particulates, although nobody's really around me, but it's still good to put it to the test and see how the mask does. All right, it's about 15 minutes later. Just got done with my shopping. Let me take the mask off. Face is dry. I did kept the valve off. The mask felt like it was fine to take it off in there. So good experience for the first time using it. Comfortable. My face doesn't feel irritated. Mask is comfortable so far. Okay, now I'm going to see my doctor. I'll be in there for about 30 minutes and just continuing to put the mask to the test. Okay, it's 40 minutes since I am out of the office. So you can see there's a little moisture. When I first got into the doctor's office, I felt like there's a good bit of moisture, so I had to dry it out on the inside. But you could see there clearly there's little to no moisture, maybe a little bit underneath the silicone, so I could just take a towel and dry it off. And otherwise, the only thing that I felt like was bothering me here, you could see on my nose, so maybe I just need to adjust it a little bit. And also felt like my nose was getting a little stuffy, but that's, it's new, so I'm gonna get used to it. But just wanted to share with you a couple of experiences of wearing it thus far. And I also did have the valve. I was wearing it with and without, and I decided to just keep it on for a while just to see. And I also have the fan on high, which I felt like made it easier to breathe. So that's, again, a couple of experiences, and I will be doing some other videos to keep you posted.